Hello trivia friends and all you clever people, welcome back to Tormentes. My name is Sean, I am your quizmaster. Grab some snacks and something to drink because I've got another huge quiz for you today. 100 questions that will test everything you know about the world around us, spread over a variety of different topics. The questions are easy and medium difficulty level, so it should be very enjoyable. Keep track of how many questions you can answer correctly and check the end of the video to see which rank you managed to get. Let's start the quiz. Question 1. Which one of these are cashew nuts? Number 3. Which of these is the General Electric logo? Number 2. Which of these are tulip flowers? Number 3. Which one of these is a mandolin? Number 1. Which one is a centipede? Number 1. Which one of these is a PlayStation 1? Number 2. Which of these is the flag of Colombia? Number 1. Which one of these is Lassie? Number 1. Which of these is a resistor? Number 3. And which of these is sashimi? Number 3. How many keys are there on a standard piano? "88. In Roman numerals, what number does XL represent? 40. How many elements are there on the modern periodic table? 118. How many squares are there on a chessboard? 64. Japan consists of how many main islands? 4. How many hearts does an octopus have? 3. How many states are there in the United States of America? 50. How many degrees are there in a straight angle? 180 degrees. How many lines are there in a traditional sonnet? 14. How many rings are there on the Olympic flag? 5. What is 1 in German? Is it drei, eins or zwei? It is eins. Which is the smallest continent on Earth? Is it Australia, Europe or South America? The correct answer is Australia. In which religion will you find the 4 noble truths in Buddhism, Hinduism or Judaism? It is in Buddhism. Joe DiMaggio and Arthur Miller were both married to Judy Garland, Elizabeth Taylor or Marilyn Monroe. Marilyn Monroe. Who holds the record for the most Olympic medals won by any athlete? Is it Carl Lewis, Michael Phelps or Usain Bolt? Michael Phelps. Which planet in our solar system has the moons Phobos and Deimos? Is it Mars, Jupiter or Venus? The correct answer is Mars. What is Barack Obama's middle name? Is it Malik, Hussein or William? It is Hussein. What is the first star sign of the zodiac cycle? Is it Aries, Pisces or Gemini? Aries. Complete the title of the Edward Albee play. Who is afraid of the Big Bad Wolf, Virginia Woolf or Wolfsbane? Who's afraid of Virginia Woolf? What part of speech includes words like wow, ouch and oops? Is it conjunction, interjection or interrobang? Interjection. And it is time for today's bonus question. Which is the only one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world that still exists today? If you know the answer, share it in the comments, and if you are enjoying this quiz, please leave a like and consider subscribing. It really helps. Now, back to the quiz. In biblical text, in which city was Jesus born? In Bethlehem. What do you call someone that collects books? A bibliophile. What metal alloy is created by mixing copper and tin? Bronze. In which ancient city was the Hanging Gardens world wonder? In Babylon. What internet search engine was launched by Microsoft in 2009? Bing. Which telecommunications company was once called Research in Motion Limited? BlackBerry. What is the capital city of Argentina? Buenos Aires. Which rapid coordinated attacks did the Germans use during World War II? Blitzkrieg. What do you call the center target on a dartboard? Bullseye. In texting, what does the abbreviation BRB stand for? Be right back. What do you call a place that sells plants? It's a nursery. What do you call a structure that houses telescopes? An observatory. What do you call an underground cemetery? Catacombs. What do you call a place where monks live? A monastery or abbey. What do you call an above-ground structure that houses tombs? A mausoleum. What do you call a tiered Buddhist temple tower? A pagoda. What do you call the underground prison cells in a castle? A dungeon. What do you call a domed dwelling built from snow and ice? An igloo. What do you call a covered market in a Middle Eastern or Asian country? A bazaar. What do you call an underground structure used to store wine? A wine cellar. How many degrees are there in a circle? (360). How many presidential faces are there on Mount Rushmore? 4. How many sides does a cube have? 6. How many strings are there on a traditional violin? 4. How many pawns does each side have in a game of chess? 8. Excluding subs, how many players are there on a football or soccer team? 11. How many horns did a triceratops have? 3. How many millimeters are there in a meter? 1,000. How many floors are there in the Empire State Building? 102. Triskaidekaphobia is the fear of which number? 13. This word is a synonym for foreshadow. Find the answer. Omen. This is an Italian island in the Mediterranean Sea. Find the answer. Capri. This was Freud's first name. Sigmund. Song typically sung by sailors. Shanty. A roofed porch attached to the house. Veranda. The science and craft of creating fireworks. Pyrotechnics. A charm believed to give protection and good fortune. Talisman. A covered walkway in a convent. A cloister. A large cup or goblet. Chalice. In opera, an expressive solo song with orchestral accompaniment. Aria. In which country will you find the Serengeti Wilderness Area? In Malawi, South Africa or Tanzania? Tanzania. From which Shakespearean play comes the line, "To be or not to be, that is the question"? Hamlet, The Tragedy of Macbeth or Romeo and Juliet? It's from Hamlet. What color will you get when you mix red and yellow? Is it pink, orange or brown? You get orange. Which of the following refers to the theory of the evolution of species by natural selection? Is it Darwinism, absolutism or Sikhism? Darwinism. What do you call a pen made from a feather? Is it a lexical, a spire or a quill? It's called a quill. Ribeye, porterhouse and tenderloin are types of rice, tea or steak. The answer is steak. In the abbreviation ADHD, what does the H stand for? Hyperactivity, hormone or heightened? Hyperactivity. Who succeeded Steve Jobs as CEO of Apple in August 2011? Paul Allen, Tim Cook or Steve Wozniak? Tim Cook. The language Putonghua is better known as Klingon, Mandarin or Vietnamese. It is Mandarin. The appendix is connected to the stomach, large intestine or the small intestine. The large intestine. Identify the cat breed in each picture. Maine Coon, Siamese, Persian, Sphinx, Ragdoll, Abyssinian, Burmese, Devon Rex, Bengal, and Russian Blue. What are these? Chopsticks. What is this? It's a gurney. What game is this? Hopscotch. What is this called? Limbo. What is this? It's a weighbridge. And what are these? Pistachios. What is this? Wellington or rain boots. Who is this? Prince Philip. What is this? A nail gun or nailer. And what are these? Claw clips. And we have reached the end of this huge 100 question quiz. How many questions were you able to answer? Take a look which rank you managed to get and share your result in the comments below. Also, don't forget to answer the bonus question. Which is the only one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world that still exists today? If you know the answer, share it in the comments, and if you enjoyed today's quiz, please leave a like and consider subscribing. It really helps. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next quiz.